Empower your employees with PocketTouch, the intuitive digital ordering solution from ICRTouch. Available on all platforms, it enables your team to take food and drink orders at the table, in the queue line, or even out in the beer garden, all with more efficiency and less mistakes. Designed by industry experts, PocketTouch integrates seamlessly with the wider EPoS ecosystem. With the click of a button, orders are delivered straight to touchpoint tills and into the Touch Kitchen order management system. Order details are stored securely within TouchOffice Web back-office management software, giving you instant access to intelligent reporting. Save time on unnecessary trips back and forth to the till. PocketTouch's integration with PACS means both orders and payments can be taken seamlessly from one device, keeping staff focused on providing incredible service and customers happy with a streamlined experience. You'll reduce mistakes and simplify operations as PocketTouch delivers orders straight to the till and into the kitchen with just a single button press. You'll never oversell items thanks to real-time stock monitoring that keeps your waiting staff updated automatically. And you'll be increasing revenue as a result of the paperless solution speeding up your service and increasing your table turnover. Find your local authorized ICRTouch partner today and raise the customer experience bar.